Hi everyone, it's me, Ammarkhan. So recently I have done some renders and people liked it, so I thought why not break it down and teach you how you can do the same. But first, quick note, I have started my art gallery. So if you guys are interested in my work, you can get these in 4K from ammarkhanim.com. Now get back to the topic. For this render, we need a dark environment. For that, I added a cube and applied the black color so it can cover all the lights. Second, I added a spotlight. Third, I added a character. Fourth, I added a plan with ground texture on it. Then we will set our camera and lighting environment so it will look dark. My goal is to create contrast between light and dark. That's why I placed light over the character so it will create hard shadows on the face. With this, we can add depth to our renders and it will create a dramatic scene. If you have any questions or any suggestions, leave them in the comment box. I'll be happy to respond.